Welcome, dear listener, to the exciting world of machine learning. If you're wondering what machine learning is, don't worry, you're not alone. Machine learning is simply a fancy way of saying, teaching computers to learn from data. But why is this so exciting? Well, imagine being able to train a computer to recognize images, classify emails, or even play chess. That's the power of machine learning, and it's changing the way we interact with technology. But before we dive too deep, let's start with the basics. Machine learning is divided into three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is like having a teacher guide you through a problem. In this case, we provide the computer with labeled data with predefined outputs, and let it learn from these examples. For example, if we want to teach a computer to recognize different types of flowers, we would give it a dataset of flower images labeled with their corresponding species. The computer would learn to identify the species of a flower based on its characteristics. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, is like trying to solve a puzzle without any hints. In this case, we provide the computer with unlabeled data and let it find patterns and relationships on its own. For example, if we want to understand customer behavior on an e-commerce website, we could give the computer a dataset of customer transactions without any labels. The computer would then group the transactions based on similarities, allowing us to identify patterns in customer behavior. Finally, reinforcement learning is like training a dog to perform tricks. We provide the computer with a set of actions and rewards, and let it learn by trial and error. For example, if we want to teach a computer to play a game, we would define the actions it can take, e.g., move left, move right, jump, and the rewards it can earn, e.g., points for collecting coins, losing a life for hitting an obstacle. The computer would then try different actions and learn which actions lead to the highest rewards. So, there you have it, the basics of machine learning. Of course, there's a lot more to learn, but hopefully, this has given you a good introduction. Remember, the power of machine learning is in its ability to learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that learning. And who knows, maybe one day you'll train a computer to recognize your face, predict the weather, or even write a blog post like this one.